Hey guys, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this course, I'm gonna cover everything you need to know to get started writing HTML. So HTML is a very easy language, and it's not just easy language, and it is so interesting language. Every web pages that you see on the internet was written by HTML. Let me create the first HTML application. So let me open up the Notepad program. In here I write some HTML code. So HTML, I start the HTML tag, I end the HTML tag. So I start the head tag, I end the HTML tag, I start the body tag, I end the body tag. And here I save this on the desktop on the HTML practical course, and here I name it, for example, first. And remember this, guys, I'm not gonna save this by txt. If I click on save, it will save by txt. Here I choose the all files, and here I say .html. This is so important. Whatever you name this file, for example, first, second, home, whatever, so it is important to append this .html extension. So I'm going to name it first, and I click on save, and I minimize it. I open this folder and I open it in the browser. As you can see, this is an HTML file. As you can see, here's nothing show, and I'm gonna type something on the body tag. I'm gonna say an H1. I started and I ended, and I said this is a title. I save it. You can refresh like this. As I refreshed here, as you can see, this is a title very big. For example, I'm gonna have a paragraph like this in here. So here I say paragraph, I start the P and I end the P, and this I said this is a very simple paragraph. I save it, and you can refresh like this, and you can refresh like by shortcut. I say Control R, Control R, and it's refreshed. Control R, and it's a paragraph. So HTML is a markup language. And what is the markup? What is tag? Markup is tag. They are commands that tell the browser what to show the content on the browser. Let me explain them one by one. HTML is a markup language for describing web documents or web pages, and HTML basically stands for hypertext markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. Tag like this, HTML head. They are all these all guys are tag. So each HTML tag describes different document content. For example, this H1 defined a title for our document, and this P tag defined a paragraph for our document. So the first tag is HTML and the last tag is HTML. So this HTML and all the tags, all the contents in the HTML tag is our HTML document. So what is in the head tag? What is this used for? So everything that I type in here that's not shown in the body, in this white area, here, when I type something on the body tag like this H1, P tag, they are shown in the body. And in the head tag is used for, it provides information about the document. For example, what is, I want to change the first.html, and it's the name of our file as a title on the here, and I'm going to change this. And for changing that, I'm gonna type a tag in the head tag, title, and I end the title. In here I say, for example, homepage. I save it and I refresh. As you can see, this is changed, homepage. Every tag that you write between the head tag in here, within the head tag, that is not shown in the body, and that's just for our document. So the h1 tag, as you can see, this started in here and ended in here, and this is the content. So it provides a very big title. In HTML we have 6 type of the title, and it started from h1 until h6. H6 is the easiest title in the HTML. For example, here I start the h6 and here I ended the h6. It means this is the very not important title. So for example, I'm gonna type h3, for example, and here h3, and I started and I closed and like that. This is big, and the biggest is h1. So these are all the h means heading 1 up to heading 6, and this p tag is a paragraph which it started from here and it ended in here. This is a p tag. Using this description, a web browser can display a document with a heading and a paragraph. HTML tags. So what is tags? Before that, let me explain another keyword in here before writing any HTML tag, and that is document type. As you know, this is a HTML5 course. HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML. So how to tell the browser the version of the HTML? For example, the HTML4 has different kinds of the document declaration, and the HTML5 has different. For example, the HTML5 is very easy like this. I started the angle bracket, that's an exclamation mark, and in here doc type HTML. That's the easy, and it types only once on the web page, and before any starting tag you cannot put it in the like here. It's not okay, and you should put that in here before any HTML tag. Before any HTML tag you should write in here like this. So let me explain HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords or tag names surrounded by angle brackets. So as you can see, this is our tag. This is our tag. So this is our tag name, h3. This is a name, tag name, and it's the tag name. It started in here. It started in here, and it closed in here. And these tag names are surrounded by angle bracket. Angle bracket. This is the angle bracket. Close, open, and close. So HTML tags normally comes in pair like this h3 tag pair. This is started and ended in here. The first tag in pair is start tag, and the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but a slash before the tag name, like this. I started in here h3 tag, and I ended same like starting, but before the tag name I add a slash after the angle bracket and before the tag name. This start tag is often called the opening tag, and the end tag is often called the closing tag. So guys, this is for this video, and in the next video we will cover what is the browser, what is the text editor, and a lot more. Happy coding!